What's up everybody, welcome to another exciting CES 2025 video. As I've mentioned in my other videos, I attended CES by myself as a media professional, not as a content creator or something like that. I wanted to visit the booths of brands that I use in my daily life, and on the very first day, I went to the Botslab booth because I use their dashcam in my car and wireless video doorbell at home. At CES 2025, Botslab is gaining attention with innovative solutions in home and driving security. Known for the slogan Pano Vision, Total Protection, Botslab is showing groundbreaking technology designed to ensure safety and peace of mind. Highlighted products like the G980H dashcam and Video Doorbell 2 Pro have already proven their excellence. Now, the focus shifts to exciting new releases that redefine what security can achieve. Botslab has always focused on smarter, more connected security solutions. For 2025, Botslab is expanding its offerings with two advanced products, the 4K PT battery cam W510 and the Pano battery cam W520. Plans also include the upcoming 4-way dashcam. The vision for 2025 is clear, delivering cutting-edge technology that ensures comprehensive security for home and vehicles. The Botslab CES 2025 booth showcases a comprehensive range of security solutions, including front door security, indoor monitoring, outdoor surveillance, kids safety, and driving protection. Each section highlights specific products, from the Video Doorbell 2 Pro to outdoor cameras and advanced dashcams, creating an immersive experience that demonstrates Botslab's dedication to total security coverage. Since I went there by myself, I had to let Botslab know that I am a YouTuber and an existing user of their products. They were kind enough to give me an in-depth tour of their booth at CES, showcasing all the exciting tech they're bringing to the table. Hey,
Hey, hello. Welcome to our booth.
so which product is new?
Okay. Here, we will launch this one and this one and this one as our new product
So
this
this
year.
is home base?
Yes, this is our home base. It can centralize control our security cameras. Currently, W510, this model can combine with this home base.
Okay.
It comes with two choices. One choice says 4-cam kit with this home base, and another choice says 2-camera kit with this home base.
Okay.
It has 4K view.
And I see you have put 24-hour video surveillance.
Yes.
So the home base can have hard disks or?
Yes, this home base has 32 gigabit internal storage, and it also supports like up to 60 TB expandable storage.
Okay.
Yes, with this
So
home
no
base.
need any cloud storage.
Yes.
That's great. Okay. So what about this? It seems like it's your flagship, right?
Yes. This one will be our flagship this year. What sets this camera apart is that it has dual lens. One lens with panoramic view at the top, and another view with telephoto. So whether it's near or far, it can capture the details. And another feature I just want to mention here that we have the smart lighting for this model.
I see there are many lights over here.
Yeah.
So what are the difference between these lights?
They are different. For this light, it has the soft lighting. It's usually for homeowner who came back home. It will just light your backyard. But for this light, it's totally different. It can track the movement at night.
Why the name is Pano battery cam?
This camera has panoramic view at the top, and also has a telephoto lens.
Okay.
For the
with the solar panel, we don't need to recharge it or what?
Yes, of course. So it's totally wireless charging.
Okay.
Yes.
And it supports Wi-Fi 6?
Yes.
Okay, so we don't need to put any cable. Just put it anywhere of the home.
You can use it anywhere, anytime.
Okay. Wow. I have already reviewed this. I have this. So it's a new one?
Yes, we
Okay.
launched a new product which is kind of similar to this one, but have a more powerful function. You see, it has 4 lanes: 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4-way
Okay.
channel, so it can monitor the front and back and the left side and right side. And you can easily adjust the camera angle like this.
Okay.
Switch it, and the rear camera has
60
360.
degree. Okay.
Yeah, so it's easy for you to like baby care or monitor the road back.
Okay. It seems like it can be detachable. So is it
Yeah,
detachable?
yeah, it's easy. Or
Oh.
maybe some guys say, I just need 3. It's enough.
Okay.
He can just use
It
3
depends on the
lens.
user.
Yeah, like this. And also you can see, you can switch.
Okay.
And also the screen is touch screen.
Okay,
It's very easy.
So what are the special features of this?
I think the 4 lens is the main point of this,
Okay.
because it can give you a full view of the car monitoring.
As this isn't a paid review or anything like that, I don't have the products yet. I plan to purchase them myself when they're released, and once I do, I'll definitely create separate dedicated reviews for them. Now, let's explore some of their amazing new products. 2 highly anticipated products take center stage at the Botslab booth: the W510 and W520 cameras. The 4K PT battery cam W510 is designed for all-encompassing home security. Available in 4-cam and 2-cam kits with the Homebase H200. It delivers Ultra HD 4K resolution, AI-powered recognition for faces and vehicles, and cross-camera tracking for seamless monitoring. The system offers expandable storage of up to 16 TB without any monthly fees, providing a reliable and cost-effective solution. Truly, when they have demonstrated the product, it felt like a dream camera. If you would like me to do a dedicated review of this product, don't forget to leave a comment and let me know in the comment section. The Pano battery cam W520 redefines home monitoring with a 180-degree panoramic horizontal view and telephoto zoom capabilities. Yeah, you have heard it right. There is a telephoto lens beside the main lens. So this lets us capture every detail, even from far away, objects or people, with exceptional clarity. The W520 includes a powerful dual light system. The top white light provides adjustable brightness from 0 to 300 lumens with dual color temperature options, enabling 12-meter full color night vision and close range illumination. The bottom spotlight delivers adjustable brightness from 0 to 200 lumens and can illuminate distance of up to 15 meters during night time. The telephoto lens offers exceptional long distance monitoring, clearly reading license plates up to 12 meters away. Okay, now I like this one too. So what do you think? Should I review the W510 or W520? I think I'm gonna get both of these and gonna review both of these for you. Well, there is another product that I am so excited about is their new 4-way dashcam. The newly unveiled 4-way dashcam ensures full coverage with its 4-camera system, combining 3K front and 3 1080p cameras to deliver 360-degree all-round protection. Featuring a 3.18-inch touchscreen, AI voice control, built-in GPS, and parking monitoring, it's designed to offer maximum convenience and safety. Whether recording clear footage on the road or monitoring your parked vehicle, the 4-way dashcam exemplifies Botslab's drive to enhance driving security through advanced innovation. If you haven't watched my other Botslab product reviews, you can check them out here. The Botslab booth highlights popular and versatile products from its lineup. The G980H dash camera remains a favorite with 4K front and 1080p rear recording, a 170-degree wide-angle lens, and advanced driver assistance. The Video Doorbell 2 Pro stands out with its 360-degree view, 5-megapixel HDR video, and no storage fees. Solar-powered outdoor cameras like the W313 and W314 provide sustainable monitoring solutions. I'm truly excited, perhaps satisfied is the better word, to see that the brand I use in my daily life is doing everything possible to provide a better user experience with their upcoming products. Their focus on AI, panoramic technology, and cost effective solutions reflects a strong dedication to delivering smarter, more comprehensive protection for homes and vehicles. That's all about the Botslab booth at CES 2025. I'm really excited to get the new products and try them out in my daily life. If you are just as excited, leave a comment and let me know which product you'd like me to review first. Also, there is a giveaway going on. Check the community tab of this channel. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Standing on my own, never gonna take my phone. I got no rival. Watch 'em all.